Draw a waterfall with a tissue. First, you need to prepare a white circular cardboard. Apply orange and yellow crayons on top of the cardboard. Draw a sun with orange crayon. Dip a tissue in white paint to draw a waterfall. Dip a small amount of blue pigment in a tissue and apply it below. Dip in dark green pigment and apply it to both sides of the waterfall. Dip in light green pigment and apply it to the dark green surface. Brush a little blue on the surface of the waterfall with a brush. Draw a few geese with white paint. Finally, shake off some white paint on the painting. This painting is finished.